Namaste, everyone can hear you clearly.
Namaste, namaste. Love you all, love you. Namaste.
Bhagwan, there are a few questions from Africa, Bhagwan. I'm going to read one by one, Bhagwan. Dear Bhagwan, thank you so much for all the miracles in my life. There is no absolute God, then perhaps there are no absolute law governing life, be it scientific or spiritual law. No absolute truth, so to speak. If it is so, can you please talk about some of the possibilities of life on earth in the future, Bhagwan?
The universe and all that is in the universe is a process. Nothing is absolute out there or inside. The process will be changing all the time. How it would be in the future, we would have no idea at all. We have to just live the process. In fact, once you become awakened, you know everything is a process. Your hand appears to be a process. Your thoughts appear to be a process. Everything is a process. So we cannot comment on the process.
Thank you, Bhagwan. Namaste, Bhagwan. I only become involved in oneness at the beginning of this year. I have over the last 7 months leaped into consciousness through the grace of divine oneness teachings and the oneness blessings. Thank you very much for the miracles in my life, Bhagwan. I am no longer experiencing any suffering. Bhagwan, my question is, after awaken, does the deepening of the consciousness evolve naturally into the higher state of awareness, or there any practice that will assist the never-ending journey into deeper consciousness? Thank you, Bhagwan.
Once you become awakened, you grow throughout your life. It's a process which keeps deepening and deepening. All that you can do to hasten the process is to help awaken others. If you help awaken others, your process deepens. That is all you have got to do.
Thank you, Bhagwan. Namaste, Sri Amma Bhagwan. I feel very grateful to be alive at the time when we are witnessing the acceleration of God realization and awakening all over the globe. But my question is, why is there more emphasis on awakening free of suffering than God realization? Oneness is all at the Oneness University. Can you please tell us more about the journey of God realization? Thank you, Bhagwan.
We are initially taking the help of God to become awakened. The whole focus is on awakening. After 2013, when most of us are awakened, the oneness people are awakened, the awakening would be made use of to become God realized. So initially we take the help of God, get awakened. After getting awakened, we become God realized. That is how it goes.
Thank you, Bhagwan. Dear Bhagwan, thank you for all you do for humanity, ushering in the golden age. Since September 2012, many blessing givers across the world have been awakened. It seems that the awakening is mainly happened in two ways. Firstly, awakening through a sacred process done at the Oneness University. For the certain blessing givers are selected and they awaken at specific time and dates, most awakened people. The second being spontaneous awakening, least awakened. Most people of the African continent will never have the means to travel to India and attend the deepening course. Can you please share with us what we can expect of the awakening of the majority of the people on the African continent? Will it only unfold in the years to come, while other continents seem to have more resource to travel to Oneness University and more awakened beings, blessing givers? Thank you, Bhagwan.
Awakening is happening quite fast on the African continent. The only problem is we are not able to identify them. We are trying to work out ways and means to identify them. It's happening quite fast and will definitely speed up a lot in the coming weeks.
Namaste, Amma Bhagwan. Your lifetime work and dedication have brought hope to a suffering humanity. I thank you for it. How is awakening influences by psychiatric illness, mood disorders, and addiction? I have family members that are suffering of these and are very concerned about their awakening and future in the years to come. Thank you for your compassion. You are my spiritual partner. Thank you, Bhagwan.
Nothing stops awakening. We have instances of people with mental ailments becoming fully awakened.
Thank you, Bhagwan. Namaste, Bhagwan. You have often said that after full awakening, the personality remains. Does that, for example, means that somebody that had the tendency to aggression, lies, and manipulation before awakening will still be like that after full awakening? Does awaken simply mean that the person will continue to be that just without suffering? Thank you, Bhagwan.
The personalities do continue. Basically, the likes and dislikes of the personality continues. Example, if you used to love apple juice, you would continue to love apple juice. So the personality continues in a very harmless way. The harmful qualities do not persist.
Dear Sri Bhagwan, with so many people reaching fully awakening daily, why should it seem that people are suffering even more and more people are suffering and dying from cancer and other diseases than ever before? More people are being stripped for material possession than ever before, and there is a great suffering in the world. It seems like it is more than ever. Thank you, Bhagwan.
That situation will soon change.
Namaste, dear Bhagwan. Blessing givers on the African continent are very grateful for Amma Bhagwan's compassion and love in awakening humanity. Many unawakened blessing givers have been very loyal and dedicated for years and experience frustration of not becoming awakened. Will all blessing givers be awakened in this lifetime? Will those who do not awaken spontaneously by assisted by the Oneness University sacred process, will they be given dates and times for awakening? Can you please guide these blessing givers at this time? Thank you, Bhagwan.
Please do not worry. You would all be awakened very, very soon.
Our dear spiritual Father Bhagwan, thank you for sharing humanity into the golden age. The 21st December 2012 has been a very auspicious day for hundreds of years. What can we expect will happen on this day? What practices should we take part in over this period? Thank you, Bhagwan.
2012 would be yet another normal day. You could have your morning coffee, everything would be natural and normal. The only thing is, on that day, a huge number of people are likely to get awakened.
Namaste, my dear Father Bhagwan. Thank you for all you and our dear Amma do for humanity. Thank you for your love, compassion and power. On the African continent, there are close to 10,000 blessing givers in 16 countries. Reaching the numbers of our family has its own challenges. Most blessing givers on our beautiful continent do not have access to electricity or the internet. In July 2012, a daily international oneness meditation was rolled out across the continent, reaching those in township and remote villages without access to the internet. From September, Tom-Tom attack has been included. Traveling on the continent is very expensive and unsafe. Most African blessing givers will never travel to Oneness University. Please guide us on a practical level as to assist the African people on the continent in these times of awakening. Please bless Africa and her children and free us from suffering. Please do it gently and as soon as possible. Thank you, Bhagwan.
We will find out special ways to help you. It's on our minds, and soon you will find tremendous power being released and spontaneous awakening happening across Africa.
Namaste, dear Bhagwan. Thank you very much for taking the time to speak to us. Please explain to me What is the difference between the oneness meditation and the blessing from an awakened blessing givers? What changes can we expect in the oneness phenomena as from 2013? Thank you, Bhagavan.
Blessing from an awakened one combined with the meditation of a oneness meditator leads to awakening. The ideal situation would be where the oneness meditator himself or herself is awakened. Where that is not possible, we must use a combination of an awakened person and a oneness meditator.
Thank you, Bhagavan. Namaste, dear Bhagavan. Please guide us in the term of the awakened people on our planet. The numbers indicated on the Oneness University website is 114,000 on the 23rd October. Are these people across the planet, including the Oneness family? How many members of the Oneness family are now fully awakened? Thank you, Bhagavan.
Most of the people in that number, 114,000, are people who belong to the oneness family.
Thank you, Bhagavan.
The questions are over, so we can now meditate for a few minutes to help the awakening process. Love you all. Love you all. Love you. Namaste. Namaste.